So today what we got going on is that in the back here we got new shocks and new bushings for the 4-link. New bushings for the 4-link. There we go. And as you can see, I got her jacked up and blocked up. Gonna take this wheel off, get in there and start doing some work. Alright, so let's start this out. What's up, peace and down? Alright, let's move this out of the way. Don't need that right now. Let's get out the impact. You know we used this before. Brake job, right? Alright, let's get this wheel off here. There we go. Now that's nice. Go set this wheel. All right, I know it's dark, but that's the 4-link there. I got my shocks back here. I know you can't see. Well, got shocks there. Yeah. I'm gonna take all that stuff off. These shocks are like 20-something years old. Believe it or not, I've never done a rear brake job in the last 25 years I've owned this truck. So that needs to be changed, right? Yeah, thumbs up, motherfuckers! What? Alright, this is the first bolt I'm working on here. Alright. I'm gonna get it going until it starts to spin. Then we'll put the ratchet on the other side. Get it out that way. Can't put the ratchet on. I don't have a deep 3/4 ratchet, so I have to get this out. Yep, ratchet. What? I didn't say that. All right, that's off. Let's see what it might take to get that off. Alright, so I tried and I tried and I tried to get that fucking bolt off the back where that shock is holding it. But that thing's frozen on there, man. I'm gonna have to go to the shop and see if they can get it off for me. But I did get one bushing replaced. I'm gonna get that in. I'll get the other bushing replaced too as well. So I got this bushing all in, right? New, right? What I wanted to do, what I really wanted to do was get these bars out, get the 4-link bar out. Okay. What I really wanted to do is get the 4-link bar out, get the shocks out, get that center link out, and then I wanted to paint it everything silver. So since I can't get this stuff out, I'm gonna have to wait. And then once I can get this stuff out, all this stuff will come out freaking hella easy. And then I can paint everything. All right. All right. These were the bushings in there. Oh shit. These are the bushings that are new. What the fuck? I got the spacer all cleaned up. Yeah. All right. So just gotta put that in. Get some grease in there, and lube that and shit and put it up in there. All right, got some grease in here. Get this bad boy in here. All right. All right, let's see if we can get this one on. Yeah. All right, just gotta find that bolt. All right. Almost got this done. All right. Whew. Got that one done. Whew. Just have to get up into the chair now since it's straining on my fucking muscles. Oh well. But look at this. These are the bad ones. If I could get to the back over here, I could get those ones out too. But at least these ones are in. We'll do the top ones tomorrow. Alright? Peace. I'll catch you on the rebound. I'm out.